So at Midmark, the role for HR has changed significantly. Our business leaders were asking us to have a consistent process. So in doing that, we decided to deploy a new structure. We created HR business partners and pulled all of our expert functions in together to create an HR shared service team.
Our business case for change was streamlining our processes and reducing our system footprint. Oracle Cloud has definitely helped our business to scale and to save money. One of the biggest savings that we realized after implementing HR Cloud was with regards to our benefit plan and the administration of our benefit plan. The system greatly reduced our administrative burden related to open enrollment.